She needs help. Quickly, put her out of her misery. Very well done. Yes, piss on her. Are you?
See it to the piss.
Are you? Why did you piss on me? God damn it.
Did it get to your eyes?
Yes.
I didn't even go
my
for your eyes.
Got him. Got him.
Get down and show me your damn hands!
Got the meth.
I'm being shot at. Help! No!
Dude, she's resistant. She's resistant to the piss. Dude, bro, her eyes are made of like titanium.
Oh my god, they barricaded
There.
the windows. Fuck. It's like
Yeah, because they're trying to cover up the government conspiracy.
God.
So
Alright,
what we have to
Doctor.
do, what we have to do now is kill everyone. Follow me.
I'm going to breach it.
Oh no!
Fuck shot you, bro.
You lying.
They have different death sounds.
You know,
They sound like
it's
anime girls, bro.
it's kind of it's kind of funny watching Bucket because it looks like he's like playing Doom or something like that with the shotgun, like just walking. Hey there, demon.